Welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to promote your affiliate link or product link in 2019 fast. So in this video you are going to see step by steps that you can use to promote your affiliate link or product link and make huge amount of money just getting free traffic. You know, it has been so difficult for affiliates, marketers, or if you want to sell people products by using paid adverts. When you use paid adverts, you spend a lot, and sometimes you may not get the return of investment when you put your money in that advert. So today I'm going to show you steps and tricks that you can use to get free traffic and also sell your affiliate products and sell your affiliate link and get your full money being paid. So you are using using Twitter and YouTube to do that wonders. So we are going to dive into it now, but before we do that, I want you to click the subscribe button. You subscribe to this channel so that you're able to get more of this video. You will not be able to miss out. You get more of this video anytime I upload video on this type of marketing hacks. And also click the notification bell also so that you're able to notify as soon we upload our video. So today we'll dive into it and see how we can promote our affiliate link or product link in 2019 very fast method. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go to YouTube. When you go to YouTube, you upload your video review or product review video that you have done. So if you want to learn more of how to do a product review video for the product or the affiliate link you want to promote, you just need to get my course. I'm going to put the link in the description below so that you get the course. As soon you undergo the course, you're able to know how you are going to be registered in a quick way, faster way with affiliate programs, and also you're able to do a professional video review so that you're able to promote your affiliate link with this method you want to do. So if we are using this, if this is the video you have prepared, so I want to use the fitness niche as example. So if you are promoting any fitness program and you want to, and you have prepared your video, you uploaded it into your channel, which I said you learn it more in my course. If this is one of it, I want to use an example. So what I need to do is to look at it. I will click at the top search bar here. I will copy the link of this video. So when I copy the link of the video, what I need to do is to shorten the link. So at my description, in this my description of this video that I've uploaded, you see the description side, I have put in, you see, the link that lead to my affiliate. So this will be the links that will lead to my affiliate product. So you will do the same thing by putting the link of your affiliates at the description of your video review like this. So the next thing you need to do, after you have copied this address, you have copied this link of this your video, you go straight to bit.ly where you are going to shorten the link. So you just need to shorten the link so that it will not be too long when you want to place it on Twitter. So what you need to do, you click on create, then you paste that particular link on that point. So as soon as you placed it, you create, look at it, then you click on create. So it's going to create the link. So you have created the link. Look at the link now. Then you copy the link. So as soon as you copy the link, you go to www.twitter.com/search-home. So you adapt as you click, this point will open. Then what you need to do, because you are into the next niche, so any niche you are into, maybe make money niche, you have to type in your keyword, something like this. So we are into fitness, so I will type in I need to lose weight. I need to lose weight. So I will now search I need to lose weight. So let us see. Many people have been tweeting about this, that they want to lose weight. So these are the people we'll be looking for in Twitter. So it has come up. See, it is still coming. I need to lose weight. So let us scroll and see the tweets of people today. Today, I love books, chocolate, potato chips, cigarettes, popcorn, coffee. Oh, I seriously need to lose weight. You see, somebody made a tweet on this like this now. So this is what you need to do. Anytime after you put something like this, so you have to tweet back. You have to tweet back. For example, like this now is on a serious thing. I need to lose weight. I am fatting. So you go to this place, you click, you reply, then this point depend on your creativity, depend on how you are creative. What you need to do, like at this point, you say seriously, or I understand your pain. I understand your pain. I passed through the same thing until I discovered this trick. Also, you can watch the video to learn about the same trick I use to reduce weight. Is it? So this is what you need to do. Then you paste the link of your YouTube channel there. Then you click on reply. I don't want to reply this. I'm not working on this. Then you click on reply. You can even put image, video to make them go further. So you do this 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, 2 hours in the evening. Just continue to repeat it, and as soon you reply, they will get it will be on this point, and also they will see it in their tweets, and they will go straight. As they click the link, they will land to this place, and as they land to this place, this is your product review. You might have put it where, like I said, get my course, so that you learn how to design a product review that will catch the attention as many people that you direct to this point. I will catch their attention, and how we are going to put your description on this point so that as soon they will click it, it will take them to the sales page of the product you want to sell, and as soon they buy the product, you are going to get your commission straight. You are going to get your commission straight, and that is all. That is all. So in the summary, you create a YouTube video, upload it to your channel based on my teaching and the course that I've recommended for you. Then go to Twitter, search with your keyword and tweet with them, and paste the link of your YouTube channel there. That is going to lead them directly to your affiliate link products. So I'm going to stop at this point. So I want you to, if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, I want you to also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that as soon as I upload tricks and hacks on how to make money online, you're able to be notified and get it and use it quickly and make your money. So bye, I will see you. Don't forget to click the description point so that you get the course. I will teach you how to design, how to do your product review, how to get good affiliate link. You click the description below and it's going to take you to that point to register. Thank you. I will see you. Bye.